Hi friends, welcome to Ria's Kitchen. Today I'm here with a new dessert recipe, no-bake dessert, mango ice cream cake, and it's a 3-ingredient dessert recipe. I just need to tell you something that I haven't given any measurements of any ingredient in this recipe because it will depend upon the mold, the shape of the mold and the size of the mold you will use. So I will just say this, that if you take 100 ml of whipping cream, you will have to use around 30 to 40 ml of mango puree. You will have to remember just this. And if you use unsweetened whipping cream, then you will have to use sugar according to your taste. That's all. So did you like the video? If yes, then do hit the like button. If you want to give me any feedback or suggestions, do type in the comment section below. And just don't forget to share the video with your friends and family. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till my next recipe, bye bye.